Hey entrepreneurs, here's a short video for you to get you through week 7. There's only a couple things that you need to do here in week 7. You already have a business concept statement, so we're going to let that simmer for a little while. I want you to think about that, spend some time just reviewing your thoughts and your business concept, and think about any changes you might want to make. Going forward, we're going to use that for remaining assignments in the class. We'll pause on that for one moment this week and take a broader perspective of support resources available for entrepreneurs. You've got 2 things to do. First is listen to or read the transcript for this Startup Survival podcast. And it's an excellent case study about an entrepreneur in the UK and everything they've gone through in this post-COVID world. So your choices are, you can press this play button and you can listen to the podcast, or if you click on transcript, you can read it or even do both, depending on what works best for you. So you've got this podcast to listen to or to read, and a discussion to participate that has you reflect on this particular episode of the podcast. The other thing you're going to do is hear from Courtney Curatolo, who is the director of the Small Business Development Center. This is a resource that you can use right now today. The Small Business Development Center is aligned with JCC, and they have an office on our Jamestown campus, although they do serve others in the service area, and they do come to Cattaraugus County campus as well if you want an in-person meeting. In this interview, Courtney will tell you about the Small Business Development Center and some of the other resources that are available for entrepreneurs in our area. So after you watch that video of the interview, you're going to take the quiz on the Small Business Development Center. So it's a straightforward week. You've got 2 things. One is the podcast with a follow-up discussion on the secrets to startup success. And then the other is watch the interview with Courtney and take a quiz on the Small Business Development Center, which is an excellent resource here to support you as an entrepreneur. If you have any questions, let me know. I do hope you have a wonderful week.